Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, September 15th. We're gonna go out to Lake Highlands Trailhead in Allen, Texas. It's gonna be me, Mom, baby Groot. We're gonna go and do some drone flying around because I'd like to do some hiking around there eventually, but my nose has been a little sore lately, so right on the shin bone part of it. So I've really been wanting to push it. So that way I don't hurt myself and be out longer because season's about to start and it's cooler now, so it's perfect for going out and doing things outside. And getting baby Groot out there too. So here we go. Ride the tasty wave. What's going on, everybody? Already got some crazies in here screaming and yelling like nothing going on. They ain't got no sense. That's all good though. Some young people out here trying to have some fun, I guess. I'm gonna go hike a trail now. The drone flying is done for right now. May do some more a little bit after a while. Go to a different location. But in the meantime, we're gonna go hike us a trail. It's a small one. It's just something to pass some time, get some video footage. But overall, it's a baby trail, horse trail. Here we go. Let's get baby Groot and Mom. You're fine, little baby, you're fine. Alright, we're ready to go and do this. We got Mom and baby Groot right here. Here's Mom. Wait, Mom. And then baby Groot right down there. She bothering him. Let's go. Oh, forgot one thing. Alright, here we go. Let's go check this out. We'll go over here. Let's go around this spider web right here. Alright. We're going right over here. Alright, everybody, here's the entrance to it. Here we go. Let's go. Only. Don't block. Horses have right away. Okay, cool. Here we go. Alright. Again, it's a nice little short trail. Little horse trail. Total distance is 14.5 miles, I want to say. But we're not doing that today. I'm trying to do something small. Just trying to get back in the rhythm of the hike again. Condition. And used to busting through spider webs again. So it's good times. Enjoying the nature again. Gotta be careful when I'm doing this though. Don't want to fall. Alright. Piece of it right here. We're a little ways in. And this is what it looks like right here. The spiderwebs in the trees. Look at all those guys right there. All those spiderwebs. Right there. Back. It goes down to Lavon. Lavon. I don't. And it goes all the way down to there. I say we take the left side here. This way. Come on. No, group. This way, baby. Alright. Made it through some huge spider webs. They're literally all the way across the trail. Exactly. Exactly. But yeah, nobody's been on the trail this morning so far apparently. At least this way. I know I've seen horses. But nobody's on the trail right now, the way we went. And boy, the spider webs are out. Especially the big bad boys across the trail. Getting all the buggies. So that's a good thing that we're at least breaking them down for everybody for later on. Alright, we found a spot without a canopy, and it's a pretty decently big wide spot, which is okay. Gotta have your own canopy spots to get the visual of the sky. And check this out, y'all. Look how beautifully blue it is today. This is what I'm talking about. Good weather is coming. I don't know. Is that a thunderhead? Thundercloud? I don't know. Anyways, if it is, who cares? Because it feels good outside. It's nice outside.